Okay folks, it's all fitted. Master combination deadbolt. I've set a new combination to it. So to lock it, you just simply push any button, your code, if you enter it correctly, lock the lock. After a few seconds, the green should switch off and go click, which is all locked up. Now you can get in with the factory, with the key override if you need to, or simply enter in your combination, which in this case, you tap any button, enter your code, push enter, green light lights up, and she's unlocked. To exit the door, once you've finished what you're doing, all you need to do is push the exit button. Close your door, keypad lights up in green, spin the dial. Simple as that. When the green light shuts off, it's locked. Done.